Hey guys, Dr. Brown here, coming to you just to ask you one quick question. Do you remember in 2017 when you tell yourself that 2018 is going to be better, going to be a better year for you? Well, we're in the 12th month of 2018. And I want you to look back over those months and ask yourself and see if there's any changes in your life. If there's no changes, it means that you're going through a cycle and doing the same things over and over again. So it's a crazy person doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. What I want you to do for 2018 to 2019 is to change your mindset, change the way how you look at things, and do personal development so that you can achieve the goals that you want to achieve in 2019. You can do it. Failure begins with you. Success begins with you. You can change every circumstances in your life. This is Dr. Brown, and I'm